You also want to secure a username. And a username is basically a custom URL for your personal profile. If you go to facebook.com/username, you can set a username. I recommend just using your real name. Okay? It will get indexed on Google, and once you set it, you can never change it. Apparently, they were letting people change it like one time. I remember a few years back, I guess people didn't understand that once they said it, they could never change it. And Facebook one day said, okay, everyone can just change it until this date, and then you can't change it again. You know? So be very cautious when you do set it. It's most likely that you won't be able to change your username afterwards. Okay? Another cool thing about a username is if you were trying to contact someone that's very hard to contact, and you find their personal profile on Facebook, if you actually send an email to their username at facebook.com, that email will get redirected to their primary email address associated to their Facebook account. Right? What happens is, as soon as you create a username, or even without a username, even if you don't set a username, there's still a string of numbers, you still have a user ID. If you take that at facebook.com, it will redirect to someone's inbox to their email. Okay? So it's a good idea to set that up, and you could also use that if you wanted to as an email address, to mask your real email address or something, I don't know. You do it.
So it sends it to their email?
Yeah, I'll send it to my primary email address. So my username is maxmedia. So if you were to send an email to maxmedia@facebook.com, it would just get forwarded to my primary email address associated with my Facebook account. That's the email address I use to log in.